Wow, welcome back on Empire Crypto TV. We are live on a Tuesday evening. We all about the blockchain, the cryptocurrency market. We are floating all the latest news, the hot topics around the crypto space. I'm your host, the Crypto King. Please, as you are tuning in, invite your friends, invite your neighbors, invite your colleagues, invite everyone in the area. Tell them we are live here. We are all about sharing this important information. Please, as you are tuning in, indicate where you are watching this live broadcast from. Mention your city, mention your province, mention your country. Oh, yes. Do tell us where you're watching from on the comment section below. Welcome, Lungelo. Welcome to the Empire Crypto Show, the fastest growing crypto show in the space. Yes, come through. Uh, Today is a different one. We've got our guests here. I'll introduce to you shortly. Um, All right, not to waste much of your time. Welcome to our Empire Crypto TV, Crypto Cindy. Hi,
Yes, Crypto King. How are you?
I'm good at yourself.
I'm good.
Welcome home.
I'm good, and I'm very happy to be here with you tonight.
Great stuff. At Empire Crypto TV, we welcome you, and of course, you are joining us as a family. You are joining us as a new presenter, as a new content creator. How are you feeling about that?
I'm feeling very honored. This is a very great opportunity. This is one opportunity that I had to grab with my hands and feet.
All right,
Yeah, because
great stuff. Welcome. Just give us your background, a little bit about yourself, and where you're going in the crypto space. Yeah.
okay. So I am Crypto Cindy, as you have said, Crypto King, and my crypto background comes from way back in 2015, whereby I was assisting people with buying bitcoins and just for different platforms that they were using at the time. So I was there helping people out, creating accounts for them on the crypto space. And from there, I've just been growing with crypto till today.
It's still positive. Do you see future in the crypto space? Do you see this market, this industry growing in to become the force to be reckoned in this space?
Yes, this is a very big opportunity and it's very diverse. So it actually accommodates everyone. So I see a great future in the crypto space. Crypto is like when computers were first introduced, when the internet was first introduced. So it actually changed everything around us. So that is the crypto that we are working on now. Crypto is just this whole new world whereby they are full of opportunities. There's so much growth and it's just so unlimited what we can do in the crypto space. So I just see a whole brand new world. Remember, in the olden days, our parents used to say that they were born before computers. Now we were born before crypto. Now we are jumping in, and crypto is growing with us. So this is just the new world order. This is just everything changing into crypto.
Wonderful. Yes, Empire fam. We are live today, and we're looking at being live every day. We are bringing you news, hot news, breaking news. There's so much that we actually looking at bringing onto this live show. There's so much exciting things that are going to happen. Exciting moments that are going to happen, so much money that is going to be actually given to people on this live show, on this show as we go on. Today we are bringing to you our new presenter, Crypto Cindy. She will be with us every day starting from next week. They can't wait to be with you. They can't wait to learn from you, Cindy.
I also can't wait to learn because now with crypto you can never say you know too much or you know a lot. With crypto every single day is a learning day. So we just need to keep on learning, keep on doing our own researches and just making sure that we keep on being informed as much as possible as to what is happening in the crypto space. So it's people like you that actually open up the market and open up actually the whole industry not only for themselves, but also to make sure that everyone around them actually gets the same information. So I think that you are just one of those people that were God sent to all of us, not only me, but to everyone. Some people can't actually even be doing their own research on a daily basis. But now having you every single night from next week, giving us information as to what is happening, what is the breaking news, what's happening in the crypto space, I think that is just one thing that we really need.
Wonderful, wonderful. Empire Fam, please go to our YouTube channel, hit subscribe button so that you do not miss these live shows. In the future, we might migrate from Facebook to YouTube. So yes, make sure that you do not um, get left behind. Right, Crypto Cindy, what are the opportunities available in the crypto space?
Oh,
You spoke
in the
about
crypto
them
space,
earlier.
there
You
is.
said there's so much happening. So yeah, what are the
Yes.
opportunities available?
Okay, in the crypto space, there are so much opportunities. There's mining, which is the crypto mining. We've got investing. Investing is more for the people that are like me, which are the holders. We buy, we hold, so it's long term investors. Then we've got the traders, the people that buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Those are more people that interact on more of a daily basis or every minute they check what's going on and they buy more crypto, sell, and then we have got this whole new world of careers in the crypto space. Now, people can find jobs in the crypto space. So you're not only limited as to finding a job in your neighborhood, finding a job where you stay, but now it has actually opened up a whole new world whereby I can be working for a company in India while I'm here.
Mm.
So those are the opportunities which are there, which we'll be looking at as time goes on and going more into, so that you can't just be saying, no, I'm not interested in the mining. I just want to put my money, forget about it for my kids, check it after 5 years. But now you are covered in crypto because that will be part of the investing and holding. If you're a trader, you're more of an interactive person into the market, you can trade. You need a job, we know right now that we've got a crisis when it comes to finding jobs and stuff. But now, if we start learning what are the required skills in the crypto world, then we can actually open up. We're not only looking for jobs in our own countries, but we have the whole world to find
All right,
opportunities at.
great stuff, great stuff. Look, before we go any further, I want us to discuss about last week's show. I know you were watching from the stands. Today you are in. You are inside the
Yes.
stands. You bought the ticket.
Yeah. Yes. Now I'm on a VIP.
All right, let's talk about last week. We had a guest on this show. He said he's predicting Bitcoin to go back to as low as $12,000. Currently, it's around $45,000, and he also predicted Ethereum going back as low as $350 from $3,000. What's your take on that?
Okay. So basically, when it comes to going as low as the amounts that he mentioned, it actually scares us. People like me get scared and then we just want to start selling. And then, but we must also look at it as by the time that we all want to now start selling, now the price will drop automatically. Now, when the price drops, that is when we should be buying more now. Because now, with the same money that I could afford, maybe zero point 0.1 of a Bitcoin, I can now afford zero point 0.2. So I just think that, yes, his predictions, he's entitled to them. but I do not fully agree with
Is
it.
it, what makes you not agree? I mean, anything is possible in the crypto space.
Yes.
What are the sentiments? What makes you, not seeing the price going as low as that?
Because are we actually been seeing the price going very low? I think this year was one of the times when it actually went as low as it went. But I still have faith that Bitcoin will still be going up. I'm looking at Bitcoin going for above 50,000 US dollars before it actually drops so low. Because we've seen before that it actually goes so high that now we all want to jump in and then it just goes flat down. So I'm actually hoping that it still goes a bit higher before it actually goes down.
Mm, okay. Um, Currently, let me just pull up this one. Um, it says Bitcoin is showing signs of short-term fatigue near 50,000 ahead of possible continuation. We see Bitcoin trying to break 50,000, but it failed. It tried to break
Yes.
50,000 resistant, but it failed. Do you think it could actually break that in this week? I mean, we are still on a Tuesday. Do you think this week is possible that Bitcoin can break that, or is still coming back to 40,000 or even lower than that?
I'm looking at Bitcoin going up at least reaching 50,000 before it goes down. I think there's a high
Is it?
possibility that it actually goes down. We've seen Bitcoin and also also other cryptocurrencies overnight doing very well. So I just because of this fall of 2.5 over 24 hours, I think it's possible that it can still go up. Probably if not this week, if not by the end of this week, probably by mid next week, there's a high possibility that it can.
All right. No, great stuff. Just wanted to touch that. And yes, of course, Empire Fam, please say something on the comment section if you've got some questions, anything to say, do it on the comment section. And of course, do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel where all the information is being streamed to. In the near future, we might not be here on Facebook, but of course, definitely we're gonna be on YouTube. So yes, do yourself a favor and subscribe so that we are together
Yes.
every day. We are looking at going live every day, sharing some very important information to you. Analysis, deep analysis, uh, as news as they come, hot as they come, every day. Thank you. Tell me something. How does crypto affect your life or anyone's life, especially these days? We see so many people talking about crypto is the future, crypto is here to stay. How
Yes.
does it affect anyone's life, especially going forward?
Okay. So I think we'll need to go back to what is crypto first. So it'll actually be all about why was crypto invented. So we all know that crypto is it's a blockchain based platform, which means that we are trying to be completely decentralized. So it's actually just cutting out the middleman. So which means that now how does it affect me is that remember, if it's peer to peer, then it means that whoever that was the middleman, because you find that in some instances there's like three or five middlemen before I actually send something to you. So if I can just send direct to you and we're cutting out all the middlemen, it means that we are saving. It means that we are not only saving in terms of monetary, but we're also saving in terms of time. So crypto is making things faster, it's making things easily accessible. It's just giving us giving you full what can I say? It's actually giving you full control of your investments Now you decide what you want to do. So crypto is just making you more interactive onto your daily duties. So whatever you need to do, you are now fully responsible for that, and you're cutting out all the unnecessary people that were there.
Mm. Okay, so you believe crypto is changing our lives for the best?
Yes, I think it is changing our lives for the best in terms of we are going to be saving, in terms of cutting out the middlemen, and in terms of time, it's actually making things much faster. So we are saving time, we are cutting out middlemen, and we are growing in terms of being technologically advanced. Yes. So
All
I
right,
think
thank you.
it is actually making our lives for the better.
All right, thank you so much, Crypto Cindy. You are telling us about benefits of crypto, how it's changing people's lives. And of course, we welcome you to Empire Family. We are growing bigger and bigger. Watch this space. What do you promise us? We are so excited here to have you on the show, and of course, have you into our family. What can we expect from you?
Okay, so from me, I we can actually all expect, not just people expecting from me, but I'm expecting that I will also be growing with the people. So we'll be growing with the knowledge that we had yesterday. Whenever you see me here giving you information, it will be information that after the show you will actually be learning something more than what you have learned, or getting another perspective. Sometimes you do know something, but you only have your own view. So having someone else's view actually changes you a bit. So I'll be bringing my views, and Crypto King will be bringing his views. Then you'll also be bringing your own views as our viewers. So from there, we'll actually just be giving you information, bombarding you with information that will be useful for you to make future decisions into crypto.
Oh, great stuff, great stuff. We can't wait. We can't wait. Do you believe crypto is creating a lot of millionaires or billionaires, so to say?
Oh, yes, it is. Remember now, in around 2015, yes, 2015, 2014, crypto in South African rands was around 2,700, 2,600 rands. And now imagine if I had bought like 10 Bitcoins at the time, that would be around 26,000. Now, today, converting that to what it is now, I would be a multi-millionaire. So crypto is actually creating millionaires. But remember, before we invest or before we do anything into the crypto world or anywhere else, you must always do your own research. Research, research, research. Make sure that you understand what you're doing. Make sure you understand who you're giving your money to, because now we've had so many people complaining about such. So you make sure that you know who you're giving your monies to. You know what you're doing. You get information, 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 and information. Then from there, I tell you, I'm not promising million people that they'll be millionaires overnight. It's a jumpy road. It's got potholes. So yes, we can hold for years, but there is no guarantee that how much you'll be getting by then. So it's all about doing research and believing in yourself, believing in your research, trusting your own instincts and going for it.
What if we want to be millionaires? Why don't you promise us? We want to be millionaires.
As we've seen with Bitcoin, Bitcoin went very high this year. So imagine if you bought one Bitcoin when it was around 700,000, and you're hoping that in the next 3 months it's going to be a million. Then it goes flat back to 450,000 rands. Now, who are you going to blame for that?
Mm.
So anything is
Tell me,
possible in the crypto world.
all
Yes,
right, tell
Crypto
me
King.
something. You said you started helping people as back as 2015, I believe so. Um,
Yes.
are those people still in the crypto space? Are they still holding those bitcoins? If not, it means they did not really understand what Bitcoin was for, they were only transacting with Bitcoin instead of holding or instead of investing. Where are those people? What would you say to such? Because I know of a lot of people who came into the space, but some of them they've actually left the space because of different reasons. The risk that maybe are involved, they couldn't really understand the where this market is going. What would you say about that?
Okay. So most of the people that I helped when it comes to crypto by then, including myself, we were not holding. It was just a peer-to-peer transaction, moving cryptos from here to me to you. And now we were very excited. We had crypto cards. We were withdrawing with those black cards. We were happy. We were just withdrawing, and spending the money. And only now we are actually now understanding, and we are now holders. But if we had started back then, I tell you, we would be very far now. So
Oh,
mostly another thing that actually made people that not hold and not become millionaires now, it's mainly because when the price goes down, so when the price goes down, when it's going bare, what we were doing as people is we were selling. You were thinking, let me rather lose 100 rands rather than me losing more. Not actually thinking as to, yes, it's going down today, but what about next week? What about in a month later? So a month later, you'd go back and say, if only I had held for the next 2 years or so. So we were more of just transactioning amongst each other than holding. So now we understand holding better.
so you mean now people have come to really grasp the importance of holding, and they understand where this market is going, where this industry is going, as opposed to that period. And what would you say to the people who are actually coming in, just coming in now? Because if, based on what you just saying, is that people got involved, many people got involved around 2014, 2015, but it took them so many years to understand or to see the importance of holding, or to see where this market is
Yeah.
going. And people who are starting from today, do you think it's going to also take them some years to really grasp the concept of holding?
No, I think people who are coming into crypto now and coming in with making sure that you're doing the research, and they've got platforms like we have now. So I think if there were platforms like we have now, whereby people are teaching and talking about crypto more, people will be more informed. So the people that are entering now will not make the same mistakes that we did by then. So by then, getting Bitcoin was very hard. Accessing Bitcoins was not as easy as it is now. Now there are so many new companies, and it's much easier to actually just buy a Bitcoin and not have to wait for long for somebody to send those Bitcoins to you. So I think even the crypto space has actually evolved and gotten much better than it did in the past years.
Oh, okay. And are you saying also on the? I've seen so many people getting involved in the in the crypto space through um, network marketing programs and stuff. Would you advise someone to get involved in the crypto from a network point of view, or get involved from the foundation going up? What would you say there? Would you advise someone to really learn about what is crypto, what is blockchain? In fact, start from the beginning. What is blockchain? What is
Blockchain.
Bitcoin? What is crypto? And then when you understand that, you then move on to other programs, maybe that can help you grow
Mhm.
your portfolios or grow your coins. What would you say on that?
Yeah, I believe that people should actually be doing research. Do your own research, understand what you are doing even before you join networks or you start sending transactions to other people. So understand what you are doing first. So I'm more of a person that thinks that people should be well informed as to what they're doing with their time and their money, because hey, money is hard earned. So make sure that you understand exactly what you're doing, where it's going, where it's coming, and I think that would be the best, so that if then you can actually decide whether you want to hold onto your crypto or you want to trade your crypto, so you can get actually involved in different activities in the crypto market. It's not only about network marketers that now you're just going to be involved in crypto because you need to send a your network says you must send. But if you understand what is going on, and if I send somebody now, let's say 100 rands, if the network marketing says I'm gonna send you 100 rands today and I'm going to get so much, now what happens tomorrow when that is gone? But if I had just held my crypto, now it will actually be grown so much, and I'd be enjoying my crypto. And one thing about us as humans, when we see something that is actually giving progress, especially in financially, we start introducing other people. So imagine if I've got crypto, but my kids know nothing about crypto, or my mother knows nothing, my brother knows nothing, or anyone, my friends don't know anything about crypto. Then, should anything happen to me, they don't even know where my money is. But now, the more we involve other people that we know, not just because we want them to join network marketing, no, but because we want them to be informed and to also be in the crypto space, I think that is very wise. So we learn to teach others so they can teach others, and we all learn and we all become well informed in the crypto market.
Great stuff. Yes, Empire FM, please indicate on the comment section where you're watching this live broadcast from. Mention your province, mention your city, your country. Let's know where you're watching from. In the near future, we might drop into your country, we might drop into your city, and we might drop into your province. Let's know each other. We are family here, and we're looking forward to be with you every day starting from next week. So yes, do invite your friends, your family, your colleagues, everyone to come and learn about cryptocurrency market. Of course, yeah, I understand we have got a mixture of audience, mixture of people, viewers. Some well advanced in the crypto space, but some they are just started. So yes, we're gonna have different topics, some to accommodate those who are just joining us, those who are still very much new in the space, and of course, the other days we'll have bones for those who are already in the crypto space. We'll be giving them very professional information, very advanced information. So yes, we're always going to be mixing a mixture of
Yes.
everything. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss these live
Mhm.
streams. Go to YouTube and press Find Empire Crypto TV on YouTube. Right, Crypto Cindy, you mentioned that everyone must bring their family on board. And
Yes.
what about those ones who keep on saying crypto is a scam? What would you say to them? Because there are so many people out there. Some, of course, they've been scammed and they've got a bad taste about this market. And some, of
Mhm.
course, they still very much lazy to research. They are slow to research, but they've heard about this market. What would you say to them?
I would actually encourage people to do research. Do research. And now, if you're doing your own research and you're finding out more information as to what is going on, then it's better than just saying it's a scam because someone was scammed. Other people were not even scammed themselves. When you ask them, were you really scammed? They'll tell you, no, it's my neighbor's neighbor or someone very far that told me that they were scammed because of crypto. So I think that we should just do our own research as people, just learn to do our own research. Even if we don't do our own research, let's actually find channels like this one, channels which will actually be giving you opportunities and actually giving you what is happening. So you'll actually be getting information from us, and we will be gathering different different information, different perspective, and showing it to people on a daily basis from next week. So people just need to be informed because basically nothing is not a scam these days. Even going to an ATM, people get scammed. There's card scamming. But guess what? We all have bank cards. So it's all about just being careful what you're doing, or who you're sending your money to. But when it comes to crypto, the best thing to do is making sure that you do your research, and more research. Research is the only thing that will actually make you understand crypto and to actually enter the crypto market. And the other thing that people like doing is uh, they like spreading actually the negative parts rather than, so they usually say that the negative spreads faster than the good news. So if we are more open to understanding what crypto is, I think that should also be one thing. So if we just clear our minds of whatever we have heard, whatever people are saying around us, and we give ourselves time to do our own research and understand what is going on, I think that would be very good for all of us as human beings.
All right, Empire Fam, please show us some love, send us some love, show us some love, press some love. And then we welcome to Empire Crypto TV, Crypto Cindy. She's coming on board as the new presenter. And of course, she'll be with us every day starting from next week. So, yes, do not miss any of this show. Be here every day, 7 p.m. Make sure you set your alarm. And of course, do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel so that we are together every day, every night. We learn, we grow up together, we go up together, we become rich together, we become millionaires together. How nice is that? Imagine a nation of millionaires. It's possible.
It's highly possible with crypto. It is more than highly possible.
Okay. Only if you do it right. I believe you wanted to say that. Only if you do it right, because
Yes,
there's so much happening out
exactly.
there. If you do it wrong, you're gonna have the bad test. You're gonna have bad experience. But if you actually do it right, the right way, oh, I'm telling you, you're gonna reap good rewards.
Exactly. Yes.
All right. No, Christoph, not much for today's show. It's all what we have for today. Let's meet again. When are we meeting again, Cindy? When are we talking crypto again this week? When is the next
So
day?
our next podcast will be on Friday. This Friday, we are having a meeting again at 7 o'clock, exactly like we did today, giving you information of crypto, and make sure that we are the next generation of millionaires.
Okay. So are we firing from all English on Friday, 7 p.m.? Don't miss set your alarm at 7 p.m. on Friday. Let's meet again. Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay.
you very much, Crypto King.
Super. All right. That's it for today, Empire Fam. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's meet again on Friday evening, 7 p.m. Peace. Great stuff.